Dito sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Wi-Fi relay module. Ano nga ba ang Wi-Fi relay module? Ang Wi-Fi relay module, para mas madaling maintindihan, it is a set of one or more switches. Yung mga switch na yon is nako-control through devices such as smartphones, Alexa dot, watches, tablets, and anything etc. As I mentioned earlier, it is controlled by one or more switches. Ilan bang switch talaga, sir? For instance, meron ako ditong 4-channel Wi-Fi relay module, and as you notice, meron itong 4 na relay, and each of the relays acts like a switch. So masasabi ko dito na since meron akong 4-channel na Wi-Fi relay module, meron itong 4 na relays. So, meron din ako ditong 4 na switch. And all of those switches ay makokontrol ko gamit ang smartphone, Alexa dot, tablets, watches, and anything etc. Since sinabi ko kanina na meron lang tayong 4 na relay sa ating Wi-Fi relay module, pwede ba tayong mag-connect ng multiple appliances sa isang relay? Actually, the answer is yes. Pwede tayong mag-connect ng multiple appliances sa isang relay. Pero take note na lahat ng i-connect mo doon sa isang relay na yon, sabay-sabay magta-turn on and sabay-sabay din magta-turn off. For instance, meron akong 4 na ilaw. Isang ilaw para sa living room, isang ilaw para sa bedroom, isang ilaw para sa dining room, at isang ilaw para sa labas, sa terrace. If itong 4 na to is i-connect ko lahat sa isang relay, once na i-turn on ko yung relay na yon, yung 4 na yun is sabay-sabay bubukas, and kapag pinatay ko naman, lahat din yun sabay-sabay mamamatay. There's no way para makontrol natin yung mga ilaw na yun individually. Like for example, gusto ko lang buksan yung bedroom na ilaw, gusto ko lang buksan yung ilaw sa dining room. Wala, since nakakonect siya sa isang relay lahat. If gusto nyo makontrol yung mga ilaw na yun individually, I highly suggest na i-connect nyo lang siya, isang ilaw sa isang relay. So makokontrol mo siya. For example, ang gusto mo lang buksan is yung ilaw sa dining room, mabubuksan mo siya without turning on the other lights. Okay, gets? In addition, kung magko-connect ka ng multiple appliances sa isang relay, you should take note about the maximum power na kayang i-hold ng relay and the total power ng mga appliances na i-connect mo. So, for example, magkakabit ako ng isang fan, hindi isang ilaw. So, dapat computin ko yung total power nun, and then yung total power ng i-connect ko is hindi dapat lumagpas sa total power na kayang i-handle ng relay, or else kapag lumagpas yun, masusunog mo yung relay or yung buong Wi-Fi relay module, masisira lang yung binili mo. Sa Wi-Fi relay module na meron ako, sabi dito, each relay can handle 10 amperes, 250 volts AC, and sa 125 volts AC, 15 amperes naman. Whether isa lang ang appliance na i-connect mo or multiple appliances, dapat makompute mo yung total power, yung total current na kailangan niya bago ka magko-connect. Kasi once na lumagpas ka sa total voltage or total current na kayang i-handle ng relay, there is a risk na pwede masunog yung relay, yung Wi-Fi relay module, or yung buong bahay nyo. Be responsible bago kayo mag-connect. Huwag bara-bara, huwag kabit ng kabit. Computein nyo muna bago nyo i-connect para maiwasan natin yung mga ganong klaseng senaryo. By the way, nothing to worry, here is an example kung paano to computein. Most of our appliances here sa Pilipinas is 220 volts. Hindi naman tayo gumagamit ng mga 110 volts na appliances dito. According dito sa relay, dapat sa 220 volts, pasok siya sa 250 volts. So, 10 amperes. Hindi siya dapat lumagpas ng 10 amperes. I-check mo lang naman yung mga nasa likod ng appliances mo. May nakasulat dyan kung ilang watts, kung ilan yung current. Kukuha mo lang yung current. For example, ang nakasulat sa likod ng appliances na i-connect mo is 1.2 amperes. Kukuha mo lang yon, and then yun na yung current mo. If ever na multiple appliances ang i-connect mo doon, pagplasin mo lang 1.2 amperes para sa ilaw, 1.2 amperes para sa electric fan, tapos meron ka pang additional na 3 ilaw, tigo 1 amperes din. So pagpaplasin mo lang lahat, 5.4 amperes. So since 5.4 amperes lang yon, and then 10 amperes ang nakasulat dito sa relay, pwede yun, hindi mo masusunog yung relay. Pero what if pag watts lang ang nakasulat? For example, nakasulat sa appliances nyo is 2,200 watts, yung voltage input niya is nasa 220 volts, so i-divide mo lang siya, 2,200 watts divided by 220 volts, lalabas doon is 10 amperes kung di ako nagkakamali. So yung 10 amperes na yon, pasok pa naman, kaya pa naman ng relay kasi hanggang 10 amperes siya. Pero Pero kung ako sa inyo, wag nyo sagadin. Iwasan yung sagadin yung relay. Saka wag kayo mag-alala, no? Kahit maraming ilaw naman ang i-connect nyo, mababa naman ang current ng mga ilaw. Kaya marami kayong may connect sa isang relay, pero wag lang kayong sobrang masihan. Baka connect kayo ng connect. Ayun, sumobra na pala sa total current na kayang i-handle ng relay. Kaya always take note para maiwasan ang sunog. Paano gamitin ng Wi-Fi relay module? Paano mag-connect ng appliances? Paano ito i-power up? Ano yung input voltage niya? Paano siya i-connect sa Wi-Fi, sa router? Yan ang tatalakayin natin next video. Pero bago ang lahat, panoorin nyo itong video na ito para may idea kayo kung paano gumagana, paano ginagamit ang Wi-Fi relay module. Pwede kong i-open dito. I-off ko dito. Hey Google, turn on light.
Alright, turning the light on.
Hey Google, actually it's hot. Can you turn on the fan?
Alright, turning fan on.
Doing great. Hey Google, it's boring, so please turn on the stereo.
Okay, turning on stereo.
Actually, can you turn off all the switches? Hey Google, kindly turn off all the switches.
Got it, turning off 5 switches.
Hey Google, I have to work on something. Can you open the machines?
Here are some results from the web.
Hey Google. Hey Google. I said kindly turn on the machines.
Sure, turning on the machine.
Alexa, turn on light.
Okay,
Alexa, turn on machines.
okay,
Alexa, turn on fan and stereo.
okay,
Alexa, turn off all switches.
okay,
Alexa, turn on light, stereo, and fan.
okay,
Alexa, turn off light, stereo, and fan.
okay,
Alexa, turn on machines and stereo.
okay,
Alexa, turn off all switches.
okay,
Alexa, turn on machines, light, and fan.
okay,
Alexa, turn on stereo.
okay,
Alexa, turn off all switches.
okay.
Alexa, you're better than Google.
Google's a search engine, but I'm different.
Alexa, I mean you are better than Google Assistant. Hey Alexa, can you tell me a joke?
Why was the chiropractor so busy? Back-to-back meetings.
What the fuck? Okay, Alexa. Alexa, please turn on all the switches.
Okay,
Alexa, now turn it off. Hindi niya naiintindihan. Alexa, now turn off all the switch.
okay,
Okay, okay, okay, okay. Hey Google, turn on all the switch.
sure, turning on 5 switches.
Hey Google, actually Alexa is better than you. However, she is a AI. An AI. Hey Google, I have a crush on Alexa.
And I respect your opinion.
Umiyak. Hey Google, are you jealous?
Great question. I'm an AI, so I don't quite have feelings the way you do.
Hey
Do you
Google.
think you can help me understand what it's like to feel something?
Hey Google, so why you do fucking cry?
Can you help me understand feelings? You can say yes or no.
That sucks. Okay, hey Google, open Alexa.
Opening. Amazon Alexa.
Alexa, turn off all switch.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on machines.
Okay.
Alexa, can you open Google Assistant for me?
Okay. Here's Google Nest. To use it, you will need to go to the Alexa app to link
hindi
your
ko na pala
account and
kailangan.
complete setup.
No, Alexa. Hey Google, turn off the machines.
Got it. Turning the
Alexa.
machines off.
Alexa, turn on machines.
Okay.
Hey Google, turn off the machines.
Sure. Turning off the
Alexa.
machines.
Alexa, why the machines is turned off? I said it is turned
From
on.
iwar.org.uk. These machines can be turned off easily by means of timers which disconnect the power supply outside
fuck?
normal working hours.
Ginugol ah. Hey Google, do you know Alexa?
Sure. Us assistants try to stick together. Are you friends with her?
Yes Google. Yes we are.
Can you try saying that again? I don't understand.
I mean we are friends with Alexa.
Sure. Us assistants try to stick together. Are you friends with her?
Yes nga, puta. Alexa,
Opening. Amazon Alexa.
Alexa, do you know Google Assistant?
Only by reputation.
Pride. So yun, sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito at kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay nyo, i-click nyo yung subscribe button dito sa baba, pati rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong maging updated sa mga future vlogs na i-upload ko. At shoutout nga pala kay Sir Rolando Capili, salamat sa inyo. Shoutout din sa ibang nagpapa-shoutout, sorry nakalimutan ko na. Next vlog, paano gamitin ang Wi-Fi relay module. Dito masasagot ang mga tanong nyo. Ito yung tutorial kung paano ito gamitin, paano mag-connect, paano mag-control. Lahat yun, pwede nyo i-click dito sa gilid na to. So yan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Peace! Kamusta naman hiking natin, pre?
Ganda, pre.
Suko na ba? Suko na ba tayo?
Walang kahirap-hirap. Dali lang,
Ingat,
hiking.
puta.
Dali lang.
Tubig ko dito.
Hindi kami nahirapan eh, oh. Nabig eh.
Oo, di alata. Oo.
Hindi kami nahirapan, oh.
Yo,
Bakit namin gano'n mga nanginginig? Ayun. Ayun yan. Walang kahirap-hirap.
Tayo na, nararamdaman ko yung besa, yung mayalig.